Hey babes, this is Aalaire coming back to you with another video. Today I want to show you guys my go-to hairstyle, and this hairstyle you could wear it in casual settings or even in dinner, anywhere like that. This hairstyle I love to do when I want a break from weave. And you guys know I love my weave, but yes, and it's extremely easy as I said. So let's get into it. And I like to part in a curve because I feel like it gives it a little pizzazz. I don't know, it looks better. It gives it like a little chic look instead of parting a straight line. The next thing I'm going to be doing is wetting my hair. I use a spray bottle and I put water into it, and now I'm going to be spraying my hair. Okay, so now we're just going to be brushing it. Now I'll be using a hair lotion, and this hair lotion is from Design Essential Naturals, and it's almond and avocado daily moisturizing lotion. So before I put it in a ponytail, I usually put this lotion on it. And this just makes it a little more softer. And then we're gonna push this to the back too. Okay. So now that I have molded my hair, I'm just gonna use my Eco Styler gel. And I usually use a green one, but yeah, I have the black one right now. So I'm just gonna use that for right now. And put it on my hair. All. And put it all around. And in the back. In my nape area. So now with the same brush, I'm going to be brushing it back, so I could get this through. Okay. Do we see that slickness? Yes, we do. Now I'm putting it in one. Fuck. I thought I was putting it in one. Now I'm putting it in one. And with my small brush, I just basically brush these up. And I like using the small brush because it gets every part. Now I'll put any little baby hair I want to put. Okay. Now I start to drag this down so it could be more in my face, not too much, because I don't like my hair to be too much in my face because it makes me break out. And I realize that, and it's the worst breakout ever. So I don't even bother with it too much. But I feel like it works better when you put the hair already in a ponytail and then you start to put your hair into your face. These edges. Okay, let's sleek it. Sleek. It's I used to use edge control, but I realized that edge control makes it flake a little bit, so I just use the Eco Styler, and it works out way better than the edge control, which I love. Now let's get to this bag. So what I usually like to do is put it in two. So I have one here, and then I go one round with one. Just keep going around with it. And then with the other one, I do the same thing. So I just keep going around with it. And I usually don't use a rubber band or anything. It usually just sticks by itself. So I don't really use a rubber band because I do it tight. And so that sums this up. Thank you guys for tuning in. And also, if you have any questions or you would like to see anything else, just link me by commenting down below. And while you do so, subscribe and like, and I'll truly appreciate it. Thank you.